So this is the image I'm going to use. I am on Pixel Studio. So as you can see, this image is quite underexposed. So now in order to fix it, I'm going to select the layer, Control J to duplicate my layer. And now I'm just going to change the layer mode here. I'm going to left click here. I'm just going to change it to screen. So here it is. Now I'm just going to zoom in from the navigator here. So now I'm just going to duplicate the layer I just duplicated with the screen mode. So Control J again. So here it is. It will brighten it much more. And now you can also, for example, decrease the opacity to control the brightness. So I think I'm going to leave it here. So now I'm just going to zoom out. So now I'm just going to add some contrast, increase a little bit the saturation, and then sharpen the image. So I'm going to click on the adjustments. I'm going to select the levels. Just going to move the levels window to the right. I'm just going to increase a little bit to bring the black slider to the right. So as you can see, it will darken the image. I'm just going to bring it to around 4%. And then for this one, for the bright areas, I'm just going to brighten it a little bit. Let's bring it to around 97. So I'm just going to leave it here. So now let's see before and after. So as you can see, it increased a little bit the contrast. And now let's go back to the adjustments. And this time I'm going to select the vibrance. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit from the navigator. I'm going to increase the saturation. So around 22, and then increase a little bit the vibrance. So for this one, I'm just going to leave it here. So now I'm just going to sharpen this image. So I'm just going to click on the filters and then select the high pass filter. So here it is. So now as you can see, everything is gray. I'm just going to change the blend mode here to overlay. And then I'm just going to zoom in. And then here, if I increase the radius, so here it is. I just want to add to sharpen it a little bit, so 0.3 pixels. So I'm just going to leave it here. And now I'm just going to zoom out. So now I'm just going to right click on the layers tab here and then select merge visible. This will create a new layer from what's visible on the Canva. So here it is. Now I am just going to hide all the adjustment layers and the layers, the duplicates I created with the screen mode. So I just keep the original layer so we can see the before and after. So now this is the after. So now let's see the before. So this is the before and this is the after.